link it actually inside so I can show you what's in this backpack. The backpack I used on my trip was absolutely perfect for what I needed it for. I used a Lululemon backpack. It had a compartment for shoes in the bottom. It has a laptop sleeve if you need that. It has a little thing that I kept my GoPro in. It had a little pouch for other items for my clothes that I put in there. And it kept everything really organized, so I would definitely suggest this backpack. But if you have other alternatives, fantastic. Just choose a backpack that you know will hold all your things, and you won't need to check a bag, which is GoPros. Bring a GoPro with a plastic casing, a little what are they called? A little single tripod thing. That's definitely not the term for it. That floats, that you will be able to take in the water with you. It is of the utmost importance to bring the camera that can go in the water, because you're not going to want to leave it on the beach while you're swimming and be worried while you're snorkeling. So definitely bring a camera that can go in the water, and you have your smartphone anyway to take photos. So clothing item number 1. Long sleeve shirt to wear after you're done in the sun. It feels so good after you're really tired. You can sleep in it, you can throw it over a bathing suit if it's a little chilly. Long sleeve shirt, definitely a must.
For something fun for the beach, I packed a crochet top with some fun tassels on the bottom. It was perfect to throw over a bathing suit. It dried relatively quickly, and it rolled up perfectly, which, was integral to it fitting in my backpack.
Patagonia Barely Baggies are my go-to shorts. They are absolutely amazing. They dry really fast. They are so comfy. Get Patagonia Barely Baggy shorts. I usually wear a floral pair and then a black pair when I'm in a tropical place. That's what I bring. As far as fancier clothing goes, I would bring a long pair of kind of flowy pants. Mine are from O'Neill. I bring a black pair, and they go with pretty much every single shirt that I bring, all the tank tops, which I'll go over in the next video. They roll up and they don't wrinkle. I mean, they do wrinkle, but they look fine when they're wrinkly. And then to segue into that, usually I bring about 2 tank tops, 2 to 3. I brought 3 tank tops. I can wear them with the pants that I bring for nicer nights, and I can also wear them over my bathing suit tops. So they're absolutely perfect. After you're done with the day, you probably want something comfier, so I usually bring one nice soft shirt, and be aware that if you bring a shirt that's cotton, it's going to take longer to dry. So I definitely would not rely on this comfy shirt if it is cotton to go over a bathing suit or something. And a pair of shorts, and if you bring a pair of denim shorts like I usually do, again, try to avoid getting them wet because they take a long time to dry and they're pretty uncomfortable when they are wet. So in the bottom compartment of the bag that I brought, there was a shoe thing that zipped, and I kept a pair of Chacos in there. I like to bring a pair of shoes no matter where I travel that keeps my feet off the ground rather than regular flip-flops where your feet can get kind of nasty. Again, I strap my flip-flops to the outside, and then tennis shoes also fit in this little compartment along with those bulky sandal Chaco things. So if you're also planning on working out or hiking around, put a pair of tennis shoes in that little bottom compartment or in whatever backpack you're bringing. I kept a towel, which is by Nomadics. It's a travel, camping, surfing towel, and it dries super fast. They're actually really huge. I can't really show it in this video, and they are perfect. You don't need to carry around a bulky beach towel. You don't need to carry around a bulky beach towel when you bring a Nomadics towel with you. I guess maybe I'll link it below if you want to get one, but they're also made out of recyclable materials, which is a plus. Alright, so that was my packing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, And follow my adventures this summer. There'll be many more to come. I'm going to be backpacking Europe. So click that subscribe button. Let me know if this video is helpful and let me know if you want more of these. Thanks guys. Promote a happy planet.